In this episode, we are still having the continuation of our tutorial on mensuration 2. I guess you can remember the volume of a prism, cylinder, cuboid, and a cube. Here we had a question in that regard. This episode is part 7 of that tutorial. So a rectangular tank measuring 11 meters by 2 meter by 7 meter is equal in volume to a cylindrical tank of height 4 meters. It is also in 4 meters. So we have to calculate the radius of the cylindrical what? Tank. So in this case, we are having the dimension or the parameter of what? Volume. So it means we need to remember the volume of a rectangular tank, which will be in the form of a cuboid, right? And the volume of also a cylindrical what? Tank, volume of a cylinder. Bringing the two together, we can find a solution to this question. So let's see. So if I have the length, we can have 11 meters. We have 2 meters here. We have 7 meters. So in order to find the volume of this, you know, volume of what? Rectangular tank is the length times the breadth times what? The height. So 11 meter by 2 meter by 7 meter. And that will give us, this will be, let's say, 14 times 11. So you have 154 meter cube. Now, so if in case we pour in water to this tank, then we pour it into a cylindrical tank, the volumes will be the same. They said it has equal volume. So if this is a cylindrical tank of a particular radius, which we are not aware, we are asked to find, and that of the height, which we know from the question as what? 4 meters. We are saying that when the volume of this, whatever is here, is transferred into this, it will be equal volume. Meaning, if I know the volume of the rectangle, I also know the volume of the cylindrical tank. So we can see that volume of our cylindrical tank is going to be equal to volume of what? The rectangular tank. So that will make sure we make our volume of cylindrical tank to be equal to 154 meter cube. So this is the volume. But how do we find the volume of a cylinder? We know volume of a cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Why? The volume of a prism is the area of the cross section. And what is the cross section? A circle. So the area of a circle times the height, right? So pi r square h. The volume here is our 154 equals to 22 over 7 times the radius, which is unknown, times the height. And we know the height of what? 4. So we have our radius in there. We can multiply this, then this is a fraction. So we multiply by the LCM. So I'll be having 154 times 7 equals to, that will be 88 r squared. Then if we divide by this, we are going to have our r squared equals to this multiplication divided by 88. And that will be giving us 1078 divided by 88. So if we divide that by 88, we'll be having our r squared to be equals to 12.25. But don't forget, we are looking for r, not the r squared. So r will be equals to the square root of 12.25 and that will give us 3.5 meters, right? We are dealing with meters. So the radius of the cylinder, this radius, is going to be 3.5. The height will be 4. So if the radius is 3.5 and the height is 4, when you find the volume, you arrive at what? 154. That is the meaning. So we are comparing the two volumes which are equal. Then we find the unknown variable. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.